The state of our union is strong. Unemployment is the lowest in history. Poverty has been eradicated. Crime is non-existent. Let us give thanks. Let us give thanks. Give thanks. Give thanks. Give thanks. Give thanks. Give thanks. Give thanks.
Please rise to greet our legislature.